Hey, this is Jess, and welcome to Unboxing Data. Today, I'm going to run you through Spotify, what it means to be a user on Spotify, what data they collect about us, how you can export it and visualize it, with a really cool wrap up on the recent Spotify Wrapped series that you might have seen in the app itself. So, we'll take a look at that. Spotify is a really great company. They are a streaming app, and I don't think I really need to give it an introduction to Spotify. You basically open it, listen to music, and it's great. I'm a massive user, so I open this app and I use it every day to listen to music. And inadvertently, what that means is that they're collecting data about me, and I'm just interested to see my listening habits, one, and two, actually understanding it at a deeper level. So what the data is that they collect about me, and if there's any differences in between the data that they project on our Spotify Wrap series and what you can actually get your hands on and use for yourself. So I'll have a bit of a look in a couple of different videos at exporting your data, analyzing it, visualizing it, and then also having a separate look at 2019 Wrapped, because I think they're all really different and really interesting pieces of a puzzle that you kind of need to take the time to work through, and do it at your own pace if that suits you. So before I move on, I'd just like to mention the two sponsors today. The first one is Young Women Leaders in AI. They're a really great community group. If you're interested in just technology in general, head over there to the Young Women Leaders in AI website. Sign yourselves up for our bootcamp, because we run through some really great content like the ethics of AI, learning how to build machine learning, the different tools and stuff that you can use. So that's the Young Women Leaders in AI. Give them a look up on Google. The other sponsor for today is Observer. Observer is a data management software company. We work with mining and oil and gas companies, but I thought I'd give them a shout out because they provide all the equipment, because that's where I work. How to export your data. So basically what you do is you go to your Spotify login, and you can't really see it on this page, but you select to download your data, and it's under settings. So if you can't find that, you can basically just Google it. So I think I just did download data. I don't know why I'm using Bing, but let's just go with it. Yeah, so it's usually under your data rights, and like something like privacy is where you can find where you can download your data. So here we go. Data rights and privacy settings, blah blah blah. Can I download a copy of my personal data? Spotify I found is pretty, let me just open, it's pretty good with downloading your data. So what you'll find is that some companies, even though they have operations in Europe and that kind of thing, they make it quite difficult to download your data. So they'll be like, all right, no, you have to email this person and they'll give you your data, or that kind of thing. But what the best ones do is they actually let you just go and click through on the website. So here you can, so there's this, so this is just a help page, but basically go to download your data on the privacy settings page. So now it's going to say, all right, go into your account, log in, etc. I won't do that right now, but the point is, what I did the other day on the 12th of November was I went to that privacy settings page, and you just like click through and to download it. So it's actually really easy. So there are a couple of steps involved. One of them is that you have to confirm that you're actually Jessica Robbins, or you're actually Mia James or something like that. Just so that they're confirming that you're not just some random hacky user on the internet trying to get all the data or scraping or something like that. So you confirm who you are just by your email address, and then they usually take a little bit of time to export all the data. So to give you an idea of timelines,
I did this on the 12th, which if I look here today, so the 12th was Tuesday. So I did it on a Tuesday night, and I actually got the data in my, like the email saying, here is all your data to download it on Friday night. So it did take them like 3 days to get all my data. So that's actually longer than normal. Usually I think with a couple of other platforms that I've just played around with, it's been like a day or two at most. So it was a bit longer than I expected, but it was a nice surprise last night when I saw it. So I thought I'd get up early this morning and just, take a look at what's going on there. So basically what it looks like is that you get an email. Spotify personal data is ready to download. Then you just click on the download link. And what that does is it gives you like a zip file. And you just have to extract it. So you click to extract all, and then I just moved it into my documents file. So with these guys, I actually just did everything, but sometimes with some other files, some other platforms, you might not want to do all of it because there is a lot. And that was definitely the case with Facebook for me. There's a ridiculous amount of data that you can get out of Facebook. And it's quite overwhelming, but point being, with this one I just extracted all of it.
So that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Give me some really great feedback on what you think.